This video is just for education purpose.
Hi traders, welcome back to my new video. Today in this video I will discuss about a prop firm which is doing very good and top quality prop firm in the prop firm industry. If you count 3 good quality and top class prop firm in 2026, this prop firm will be one of them. So I will discuss in depth about this prop firm and announce the giveaway winner later part of this video. As you know, I have hosted a 3x 10k twist 100 challenge giveaway earlier. Here you can see on my X handle, and also I was shared this giveaway information into my Telegram channel. If you are not part of my Telegram channel or not following my X handle, please join to my Telegram channel and follow the X handle to get regular giveaway opportunities, and also subscribe this channel. And also this is my channel. If you are a forex trader and want to trade without any investment with no deposit bonus, you can subscribe this channel. I post regular video on both channels with valuable and free earning opportunities from the forex industry. It might be free funded challenge or no deposit bonus, forex trading informations, etc. So let's dive into the main part of this video. Here you can see on my screen, scrolling above a Valentine offer, 40% discount is going on with the code of Valentine and also 200% refund. What is mean that? For example, if you purchase any of challenge from this prop firm with this Valentine code, you will get 40% discount, and once you pass the evaluation phase and make a payout, you will get double refund of your challenge fees. Like if you purchase an account by $400, you will get refund $800 once you pass the evaluation phase and reach the first payout. And also if you are new to the Blue Guardian, you will get flat 50% discount at any challenges with the code of first. Here you can see. Just click here and copy the code. Use the code during the checkout. You will get 50% discount at any challenge. So why you should choose this prop firm? Here you can see instant funding for $10, 24 hours payout guarantee or 100% profit split, instant payouts, 90% profit splits, up to 4 million scaling opportunities, 7 different trading models, news trading allowed, EA and copy trading allowed. You will get MT5 and 2 other platforms. So you can see everything is there what a trader need to trade prop firm challenge. So what kind of challenge model exists on this prop firm? You can see instant, 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps, and you can trade crypto as well. If you purchase an instant, you can get funded directly. There is no evaluation phase. And there have another instant model which is industry cheapest. Click on the instant, click starter, and you will get 5k instant funded account only for $10, which is insane offer. And the profit split is 90%. Payout type is instant payout. You will get a maximum loss limit $250, which is 5%, and daily loss limit $150, which is 3%. That means you will just pay $10 and instantly you will get funded with the limit of $250 maximum drawdown. To be honest, you will never get this kind of offer at any prop firm in the prop firm industry. This is a limited time offer. Don't waste your valuable time. It's just a matter of $10 only, and you will get a 5k instant funded account and skip all the evaluations, get funded instantly. And also you can buy 1 step, 2 step, 3 step and crypto challenges. You can check yourself. If you want to know more about all the challenge models in details, you may browse my previous videos you will get, and also you can check their trading objects as well. If you have more questions about their trading rules and objects, you may browse their FAQ section. Click on the rules and click on your desired trading models. Check the FAQs. You will be clear each and everything. Or if you have any specific question about this prop firm, please leave the comment on this video. I will reply your comment. Now in this part, I will attach the giveaway winner selection process. Enjoy it, and if you are a winner, please go to my X handle for the further instruction. Now let's start the giveaway winner selection process. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.